History and culture, the story of Mecca. In the heart of the Arabian desert, where sunsets paint the sky with hues of gold and red, lies a city named Mecca. For centuries, this city has been home to people who follow Islam, one of the world's great religions. Among the crowded streets and sandy paths, children run, camels graze, and merchants call out to travelers. Long ago, there was a boy named Hassan who lived in Mecca. Every day, Hassan would wake up early to help his family prepare for the day. But one thing set him apart from others: he loved learning about Islam and visiting the mosque to pray. One day, Hassan found an old, dusty book hidden in the corner of his family's library. It was filled with knowledge about Islam's rich history and tradition. Hassan spent hours reading, absorbing every word, and dreaming of becoming a great scholar. As Hassan grew older, he shared his knowledge with others. People would gather around him to learn about the teachings of Muhammad, the Prophet of Islam. Hassan's wisdom and kindness made him a respected figure in Mecca. One day, Hassan was chosen to lead a group of people on the Hajj, a religious pilgrimage to Mecca that Muslims from all over the world make. As they circled the Kaaba, the holiest site in Islam, Hassan felt a deep sense of peace and unity with his fellow believers. As they walked, Hassan reminded his fellow pilgrims of the importance of kindness, compassion, and unity, the cornerstones of Islam. Together, they prayed for peace, unity, and prosperity for themselves and others. After the Hajj was complete, Hassan returned home to Mecca, but his fame had spread far and wide, and people continued to seek him out for wisdom and guidance. From scholars to nomads, Hassan welcomed everyone with open arms. Night after night, Hassan would gather his friends and neighbors around a fire to share stories and wisdom. They laughed, sang songs, and told tales of old. It was during these times that Hassan felt most alive, surrounded by the warmth of friendship and the love of knowledge. One day, Hassan grew ill and knew that his time was coming to an end. He called for his friends and family to gather around him. As they held his hands, he looked each one in the eyes and told them to always remember his teachings: kindness, compassion, and unity. When Hassan passed away, the people of Mecca mourned deeply. They knew that they had lost a great teacher and friend. But as they stood around his grave, they vowed to carry on his teachings, to always show kindness, compassion, and unity to others. To this day, people from all over the world come to Mecca to pray and remember Hassan's teachings. They circle the Kaaba, just as Hassan did long ago, and pray for peace, unity, and prosperity, not only for themselves but for everyone. Hassan's legacy lives on, not just in Mecca but around the world. As you look at this map, remember that there are many places like Mecca, filled with people who cherish kindness, compassion, and unity. Together, we can make the world a better place.